Hi smart students, how are you doing? Here I am back again, Rahman Halim, and I'm glad to share you once again a video of English learning series. Of course, on Smart English channel. And as usual, we are going to learn an English topic, and it will be greetings and leave taking. Selamat berjumpa kembali bersama saya di channel Smart English. Nah, sebelum kita simak lebih lanjut video ini, silahkan like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, let's get going and enjoy the learning.
Good morning, Mrs. Tiara. How are you doing?
Good morning, Mr. Joe. I'm fine. Thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Have you read about our new promotion in this company?
Oh yeah, just at glance. Why?
I think you should read it. It's actually motivate us to be more creative.
You're right. Thanks.
Smart students, telah kita simak sebuah dialog dalam klip animasi dan kita akan cermati isi dialog tersebut, yaitu tentang greetings. Ada beberapa contoh dari greetings yang sering kita dengar dan bisa kita gunakan dalam daily basic conversation. Tuh, misalnya menyapa dengan ucapan atau ungkapan Hi, Hello, Good morning, Good afternoon, Good evening.
Hi, how's it going?
Great, thanks. And you?
Not much.
Well, have you got your breakfast?
No, I haven't.
What about going to the cafe? We can have some pancakes and coffee.
That's good idea. Why not?
All right, shall we go now?
Okay, let's go.
While to ask someone's condition atau menanyakan kabar dan responnya, kita bisa menggunakan beberapa variasi ungkapan sebagai berikut. How are you? Fine. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. How's it going? How's it going? Pretty good. How's everything with you? Excellent. How's life? Good. What's up? Not much. Not bad.
How are you? How are you doing? How is it going? How are things with you? How's life? What's up? I'm fine, thanks. Great, thank you. And you? Pretty good. Not bad. Not much. Just fine.
Hi Tony, what's up?
Hi Mom, not much.
Come on, cheers up.
Actually, I'm not feeling well.
Hey, what's the matter with you?
I have stomachache.
Why don't you see the doctor?
I'm afraid I can't. I cannot drive myself to the doctor.
Don't worry, I'll take you there.
Thanks, Mom.
It's okay.
Well, smart students, ada kalanya ketika kita menanyakan kabar atau kondisi seseorang, orang itu akan menjawab, I'm not feeling well. Kita bisa menambahkan pertanyaan, misalnya, What's wrong with you? What's going on? What's the matter with you? What happened to you? What's the problem?
Indah, I almost forget. I have to meet Miss Ati now.
Oh yeah, let's see her. I think she's in the office.
Yeah, well then, I think we have to go now. See you.
Okay, see you around.
Bye.
Untuk menyatakan ungkapan selamat berpisah atau leave taking, kita dapat mengucapkan berbagai variasi ungkapan sebagai berikut. Di antaranya adalah goodbye, bye, see you tomorrow, see you around, so long, good night.
Hi, Alina. How's it going?
Hi, Jody. Nothing much. What's new with you?
Not too much. I've been pretty busy.
Me too. It seems like all I do is work and study.
Yeah, we can take a time to hang out sometime.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Oh, excuse me. Here's my bus. I have to go. See you later.
See you. Take care. It's cool to have a free time like this. And I think it a good movie.
Yes, it's very entertaining.
Donnie, I heard you and your basketball team won the game?
Alhamdulillah, our team won at this game.
That's great. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, it's all because of your support.
That's all right. We are sibling, right? We have to support each other.
Well, the movie is over. I think I'll go upstairs to clean my room. See you around.
See you. And, don't forget helping me to prepare the dinner.
Okay, I will.
Nah, smart students and para siswa, demikianlah video pembelajaran tentang greetings and leave taking. Semoga bermanfaat and you enjoy the video. Finally, I'm Rahman Halim, have to sign off. See you again later. Thanks for watching and goodbye.